Oh, Lily. I'm so glad to see you.
There's this island of talking trains, and they said you might have been there. But Mr. Conductor's very sick, and Junior's in danger, and I had to leave poor Thomas behind. Here, please help me.
I'd like to, Lily. Nothing seems to work.
This is the lost engine from long ago. Now we can go back to the island and bring Mr. Conductor and Junior home.
I can't make her steam. I've tried all the different coals in the valley.
Lady. Is that her name?
Yes.
Coal. Special coal from the island of Sodor. That's what Lady needs. Patch, there's a coal truck up at the top of the mountain. Do you think you could get some?
Of course I will.
Sorry, Lily. I'm sorry, cause I haven't been whatever it is. Responsible, reliable, really useful. But I will be! I will be! James!
So you've lost your sparkle too, huh? Bye-bye, Twinkle Toes.
It's empty.
Here we go.
Junior, what are we gonna do?
We'll think of something.
That's it.
I'll find you some more, Lily. I promise. If I'm going to be any help at all, it's now or never. I've got to use up the rest of this stuff.
Are you ready?
No, we're not.
James the Brains, get us out of here.
Now we are.
What the?
Hoo-yah! Ha!
Bye, James. Oh. Sorry to be so long, Kaz. But better late than never.
Junior, we're all out of gold dust, aren't we?
Bankrupt. Hey, it's a beautiful day. I mean, we're down, but we're not out.
No, we're out. But we are not down.